So we're on A2Pure here, and we're looking at trigonometry, and we're looking then, we've just finished looking at these functions here, 3 cos theta plus 4 sine theta, on how you can write that in terms of cos theta plus alpha, or in terms of sine theta plus alpha. And so we've kind of looked at a few of those bits and pieces. So let me see. What we're looking at here then is solve 3 cos theta plus 4 sine theta equals 2. I'm actually going to change that. I think, no I'm not, that's okay, well, this will all be fine. But we know we can rewrite this as 5 sine theta plus 36.9 equals 2. We look back at the previous 2 or 3 videos and we'll see we've done that plenty of different times. So rewriting this by getting the 3 and 4 and doing a right angle triangle and finding Pythagoras in for the 5, and rewriting this as in as a sine alpha and a cos alpha to rewrite that. So how would we solve this equation? We're now back to our trig equation. So I'm going to let theta plus 36.9 equal x. So really we're solving 5 sine x equals 2. We are solving then sine x is 2/5, and that's between 0 and 360. So x is sine to minus 1 of 2/5. So let me get my basic angle here. So shift sine 0.4, which is obviously our 2/5, and we get then 23.578. 23.6 degrees. So let's look at our cast diagram here. Need to be careful here, but that's alright. So we're going to go C, A, S, and T. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So we have that. So one of our angles is this, and one of our angles then is that. So our value for x is 23.6 degrees, and our other value for x is 180. Take away 23.6, which gives us 156.4. Back then to our theta. So we know that theta plus 36.9 equals 23.6. So if we do 36.9 taken away from 23.6, you can see what's going to happen here, but we'll deal with that in a second. We get minus 13.3, and then for the other one, theta plus 36.9 equals 156.4. So theta is 156.4. Take away 36.9, and that is giving me 119.5. So my two angles that I have are minus 13.3 and 119.5. Now if I look back to my range between 0 and 360 degrees, minus 13.3 is famously not in between 0 and 360. So we need to tidy this up very slightly. So it's kind of brought it back around to here. So we can kind of go round the other way, and I think that would work. So if we add 360 degrees to this, minus 13.3 equals 346.7. So minus 13.3 plus 360. And our value for theta then is 346.7 degrees. So those are the two possible values then that we can have for that.